Okay, so today we'll have an introduction to hand bending electrical metallic tubing, also known as EMT. We'll start with a basic 90-degree bend, which is the simplest and one of the most common bends that electricians have to make. Let's look at the tools we'll need. Measuring tape or a folding rule, a torpedo level, a pencil, don't use a marker or anything that will leave a permanent mark, and if you're going to need to make any cuts in your conduit, then you'll need some sort of a reamer or a file. Last, but of course not least, you'll need your hand bender. Note that there are several markings on both sides of the bender. We'll discuss each of those as we get to them. We'll be bending a stick of 1/2 inch EMT. It's important to match the right size bender with the right sized EMT. We'll start by measuring our desired stub length, in this case about 20.5 inches. Our deduct or take up, as indicated on this bender, is 5 inches at the arrow. So subtract the deduct from the desired stub length and mark your conduit. In this case it's 20.5 inches minus our 5-inch deduct leaves us with 15.5 inches. So that's where our pencil mark will go. Load the conduit in the bender, aligning the pencil mark with the arrow on the bender, and bend using foot pressure, not by applying lots of pressure to the handle of the bender. When the conduit is roughly parallel with the 90-degree bend marking on the bender, stop and test the bend with your torpedo level. You'll find that your bender must often go slightly past the mark due to spring back. Finally, place your completed conduit up against your desired surface. If the stub is too long, just make another mark and cut the conduit where needed. But be sure to ream if any cuts are made. All right, well, thank you very much. That's it for now.